birthday present to myself and found myself a little treasure. All right. This is something I've had in the past, and then I sold it, and now I have it again. So this is a true unboxing. I have not seen this yet. This is a Chanel medium flap but it's silver hardware. Okay, it's a series 7, 1994, 1998. I have to look that up. Old dust bag. Authenticity card. eBay's guarantee that this is an original authentic Chanel double flap shoulder bag, lambskin, with the serial code starting with a 7. Lambskin. It's not as soft as my other lambskins. This is. Must have come with the care booklet. No smell. I bought this from an American eBay person, and I did not have to pay for the DHL customs. I have a Birkin bag that I bought from a Chinese seller on eBay, and it was my first time spending over $800 on eBay from overseas. And if it's over $800 coming overseas, I read the small print about, you know, duties and customs is the customer's responsibility, but it didn't even dawn on me after spending over $800 that that actually applies. So the whole Birkin bag has a whole story about that. But I had this bag, and it was gold hardware, and mine was from 91. And it had a mark up in here, and I sold that with also a tan medium flap and also the trendy CC size small. I sold 3 bags and used those monies for the down payment of this house that we live in now. We moved across country. My husband and I both took early retirement, and so I had sold bags to help with the down payment of buying the home that we're in now. But mine was gold, and I love silver hardware. I love it. The chain is in really good condition. It took 3 days. Excuse me. The lady that I bought it from had it authenticated with the eBay And so she has to send it to their hub. So it goes through their authenticity process, and then they box it up and ship it to me. So this has been touched by someone else before getting to me. It's got a couple of dents in it. But, you know, it's old. This is vintage. This is definitely in the... I gotta go look it up again. I'm sorry. I cannot remember a code 7 off the top of my head. What year is that? I'm drawing a complete blank, but it has some discolor right here, and then it goes more black. Then here, then more black. All of them always have things like this because of the chain rubbing on the second flap. That does not bother me whatsoever. Nobody sees that. It's definitely not as soft as my other ones. But it didn't say it was repainted. I'm glad it doesn't smell. Just checking everything out. Still has the sticker down in the front corner. Let's take this off. Making sure there's no gum or anything shoved down into any of these pockets. Yeah, so I've missed having that, it's a 10 inch. This is 10 inches, not the 9, because they do have a 9 inch. So this is a medium 10 inch black lambskin silver hardware. Come up closer. There's an indentation right there. The creasing on the back here does not bother me. Bags, true Chanel, not that. Unless they've been sent to a spa or to like leather surgeons here in America. Yeah, I do like that silver. See how this color's just faded color up in here. Still doesn't bother me. This is that. Yeah, I'm very happy. You won't be able to see the sticker down there, it's too small. 2 slip pockets, 1, 2. This middle is for a lipstick pocket. Back pocket. Yeah, I'm pleased with it, so I'll take the tags off and be keeping this. Very happy with this. I'll do a comparison of all my Chanel bags and probably do that as the next video. I'm excited. I'm excited. So this is a birthday present to myself. Oh, and by the way, got this on eBay for $2,400. Yeah, I know. They're on Fashion File for like $6,000, which is ridiculous. My gold one that I had from the 90s, bought from Fashion File in like 2014, and I paid $1,500 for that one. So getting this one for $2,400 or $2,500 this many years later, and it's silver and not gold, I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. So happy birthday to me. So be looking for my next video, and we'll do a comparison of multiple different Chanel bags. Thank you for watching, you guys. I appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. So thank you for helping me with that. Bye-bye.